Hi guys, it's Kim. I'm here with Maya. And we have another diaper clutch review for you. Today I am going to be showing you the Twelvelittle Diaper Clutch. Here is the Twelvelittle Diaper Clutch in the blush pink. It's this really beautiful light pink color that has little lavender undertones. It has rose gold hardware and it's really high quality. It is quite a bit bigger than the other diaper clutches that I reviewed. I'll link below and in the iCards. I have separate reviews of the Logan and Lenora wristlet clutch as well as the Jujubee Be Quick, and I will have an upcoming video comparing all three of them. But let's dive in. I'll show you the features of this Twelvelittle clutch as well as what we can store inside of it. So you can see it's a quilted material. It has this, I believe it's faux leather logo here, and the zipper pulls are also that faux leather material with the rose gold hardware like I said. So let's flip it over. On the back there is a long pocket, a zipper pocket that goes all the way across, and my full-size Jujubee wallet fits very nicely in there. So that can show you how big this pocket is. In my other clutches that I've looked at and reviewed, I usually have to carry just like a very small Be Charged or something, but this can fit my complete wallet, which I really like. If you wanted to carry a smaller wallet, then you could put your phone and receipts and other things. I think this is a really convenient pocket. And on the sides here are the D-rings where the messenger strap attaches. It is detachable, but there isn't any like grab handles. If you're planning on using it as a standalone bag, I don't really see a way of using it without this messenger strap. The side here has these little tabs, and what these are is that you can pop this open and then you can unzip it all the way, but if you have it shut, then when you open the zipper, it stops right there so that you can get inside of your bag without everything falling open. But if you want to pack it really easily, you can pop it open and then you can see everything inside. And as you can see, I did that all one-handed. I'm going to pause here a minute. My daughter woke up and I'll show you everything that I have inside. Okay, I'm back. So this is what the inside looks like, completely unzipped. The zippers I want to add are super smooth. They're metal zippers, but I haven't had any issues with them snagging or anything. In this little pocket here, I have a Blueberry Simplex cloth diaper. It's a one-size all-in-one cloth diaper, as well as an Apple Cheeks travel wet bag. I could easily have fit 2 cloth diapers in here, but I take this as a really quick trip bag, so I wouldn't need to bring 2 diapers with. And then just thrown in here, I have a food pouch and a little granola bar. And that works really well when it's shut because then you can just grab it from the top really easily. In this mesh pocket here, which is actually detachable, you can unsnap it if you don't want it in there, or if you wanted to use it inside of another bag, which I think is really great. I have a Baby Genex hand sanitizer, Wet Ones wipes, as well as a travel sunscreen. The full-size sunscreen would work in here as well. It would have fit, but I just didn't want to bulk it up too much. And then on this side, there's these elastic bands. This is where I hold my white pouch 30, and then I have it so the flap is up. So when I have it closed, I can actually reach in and grab a wipe without having to open the bag all the way up, which I love. And then I have the change pad that came with the bag. When you get the bag, the change pad is actually on this side, so it's up to you what you prefer. But just for the cloth diapers, it works better to have them in this bigger pocket here. For purposes of this video, I wanted to show you guys that it came with this change pad, but the Jujubee light change pad I prefer just because it's a little bit thinner. This is nice because it does have some padding, but my daughter is 1 and we're kind of over the stage of really caring about having padding. But let me show you what the size of this change pad. It's a really good size. It's wipeable and lightly padded. So I really like this, but it does take up a little bit extra room. So if you are packing quite a bit, you might consider using a different change pad. So this is what the whole thing looks like without anything inside. So ultimately, this isn't the bag for me. I prefer the Logan and Lenora. I wish it had a grab handle. The older version actually had a grab handle on this side, which I get why they took it away because now The bag opens this way, which is amazing, much better functionality wise, so when you're wearing it you can reach into it. But if you weren't using the messenger strap, I think it would still be nice to have a grab handle, even just to like grab it to get in and out of the car. Sometimes I like to just have a grab handle. The quilted material just makes it a little bit bulkier, so it's just not my style. I don't really love rose gold. So just the style wise, this isn't my favorite. I really hope they make this bag in the on-the-go material. It's more like a coated canvas. For me, this quilting just adds extra bulk and isn't my favorite style. Everything else about the bag is great. The quality is amazing. The strap that comes with is really, really nice. It's like smooth and silky. And adjusts really, really easily. For my purposes, I'm looking for a bag that I can pack up and then put it inside of my main diaper bag and have it just be like the essentials to grab and go into the store, but have backup clothes and diapers and things like that in my main diaper bag. And for the diaper bags that I carry, this is a little bit too big and bulky. This would be an amazing choice if you're just looking for a small quick trip diaper bag. This is great, but I think it's a little too big and bulky to be something that you put inside of another diaper bag. Again, everyone has their own preferences. If you carry a really large main diaper bag, this might be perfect for you for that. But let me show you guys some on the body shots.